Hello friends, எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம் and welcome to my channel. This video give the explanation for capital budgeting in management accounting. Before we go to the video, kindly subscribe and give bell icon. Meaning of capital budgeting: the success of a business depends upon how efficiently the various resources are utilized. The two major financial considerations before management: rising of finance and investment of finance. How to make investment effectively? It is provided by capital budgeting. Capital budgeting refers to planning for making investment in long-term proposal or capital assets. It is otherwise known as the process of making investment decisions in capital expenditure. Then definition of capital budgeting. According to Charles T. Holmgren, capital budgeting is long-term planning for making and financing proposed capital outlays. Then Hampton John J. defines capital budgeting as the firm's formal process for the acquisition and investment of capital. It is the proposed for raising of long-term funds, investment of funds in long-term proposal, analyze the benefits from the long-term proposals. Then what are the characteristics involved in capital budgeting? The first one is long-term projects. Investments are made in long-term projects or capital assets, that is investments are capital expenditure. We already know about the investment is one of the main capital expenditure. Then second one is large amount of investment. Amount invested in generally large considering the total amount invested in the business. Then benefits accrue over a long-term period. Then investment is made at present and the benefits accrue the future for a period more than 1 year. The next one is requires analysis of future. So every capital budgeting is require a careful analysis of future as consideration on are they taken on the basis of forecasted future investments. The next one is irreversible decisions. Is absolutely no. The capital expenditure decisions are irreversible. Once an investment is made in a capital assets, it is very difficult to go back on the same. That is, they are unalterable. So these are the features of capital budgeting. The next, strategic decisions. Then capital budgeting decisions are often strategic in nature and their success or failure may determine the future of the time itself. So the capital budgeting is strategic decisions. The next one is requires expertise and efficiency. Capital budgeting decisions are almost the most difficult to make. It requires a lot of experience and efficiency on the part of personnel involved in the same. The last one is profitability and risk considered. Both profitability and risk should be considered together while investing in the capital assets. Generally, it is a great risk also. Then these are all the main characteristics or features of capital budgeting. The next one is need and importance of capital budgeting. Capital expenditure decisions are more significant to a business concern due to the following reasons. So these are the very importance and need for making investments and capital budgeting. Then huge investment. Absolutely, the capital budgeting is provided how to make investments, efficient investment also. Then capital expenditure generally requires large amount of investment. Mostly a major portion of the total investment in the business may be in the form of capital expenditure projects or capital assets. The next one is longer period investments. Capital expenditure are expenditures the benefits of which endure for longer period, then proper estimate of the future has to be made while investing in capital expenditure projects. Then third one is irreversible decisions. Then capital expenditure once incurred are difficult to revert to. This is because capital expenditure is incurred which regards to specific requirements. It may not have ready market if it is to be disposed of. Then the capital or the investments is irreversible decisions. The next one is strategic investment decisions. Decisions concerning capital expenditure are of strategic nature. They deviate from the routine decisions and bring about changes in method of production, operations, capital structure, etc. The next one is requires efficient utilization of resources of the economy. The capital budgeting decisions involve production and related activities. They require utilization of the economy's resources on a large scale. It is to be ensured that the resources are utilized more efficiently. Then these are the main importance and needed of capital budgeting. The process of capital budgeting. Capital budgeting involves the following procedures. So these steps must be required for every capital budgets. Then the first one is collection of relevant data from possible resources. It is necessary to gather all possible information concerning the proposals to be undertaken. The data may be collected both internal and external resources and from primary and secondary resources. Then second step is identifying the proposals which suit the needs of the organization. The possible proposals are to be listed after taking into consideration the objectives of the business, purpose of undertaking the project, availability of resources and environmental conditions. The third one is estimating the feasibility and profitability of the budgets. Where there is more than one proposal possible, it is necessary to make comparison of them in terms of feasibility and profitability, which is the investment is very profitability and feasibility. Then fourth step is selection of project or projects. After the projects are evaluated according to the funds available, profitability and the nature of projects, one or more projects are selected. Which is the selected, the other will be rejected. Next one is preparation of capital expenditure budget. After the selection of projects, capital expenditure budget is prepared. Capital expenditure budget specifies the estimated expenditure on the project selected during the project period under various heads. The next one is implementation of the projects or projects. Then the selected projects are undertaken. That is, the investment is made in the selected projects or projects. Responsibilities are fixed and the costs are recorded. The final step for process of capital budgeting is review of performance. Every projects must undergo the review of performance. After the completion of the projects or during the course of the projects, actual costs and returns are compared with the budgeted cost and return. Differences are analyzed and if necessary, remedial measures are undertaken. This is the process of undergoing the capital budgeting. Methods of capital budgeting are methods of evaluating investment proposal. Several methods are followed for evaluating the investment proposals. The factors which are considered as basis of comparison under these methods are any one or more of the following. Then profitability, recovery of investment made in the project, cash inflows from the project, discounted or not discounted, undiscounted method. Then next one is proportion of cash inflows to cash outflows, etc. These methods are based on profitability or cash flows. Some methods take into account the time value of money and discount the cash inflows. Then proportion of cash inflows to proportion of cash outflows are compared in same methods. The methods of evaluating long-term investment proposals can be broadly classified into the following. Methods based on accounting profits and methods based on cash flows. These two methods are evaluated of investment proposal or capital budgeting. The first method is based on accounting profit. The accounting profit is the profit as shown by the accounting records. It is the net profit after depreciation, interest and tax. So already we know that what is accounting profit. It is provided by the final accounts. The two part of final accounts. One is trading and profit and loss account and another one is balance sheet. We know about what is the purpose of preparing the trading and profit and loss account. Then to know the gross profit or gross loss is preparation of main aim of preparation of trading account, and to know about the net profit or net loss in profit and loss account. So the capital budgeting is under the based on accounting profit. Accounting profit is the net profit after depreciation, interest and tax. Then cash inflow. Cash inflow refers to return from the project in cash, in the form of cash. It is the net profit after adjusting for non-cash items such as depreciation. So we already know about the depreciation. Depreciation is one of the non-cash item or non-cash expenditure for the deduction of net profit. So these two methods are very important to calculate or evaluating the investment proposals. Okay friends, I hope this video is very helpful to you. I expect this is any time or at the time of you have to view and support my channel. Thank you.